The Hierophant, fifth number card of the major arcana. It is also known as High Priest, Pope or Teacher. As we can see, he looks like a religious figure. His three different color robe and crown shows his knowledge over three worlds. His task is to pass down his wisdom to his followers so that they can succeed in their life. The crossed keys at the feet of the Hierophant is the key of unlocking the mysteries and balance between conscious and subconscious mind, which he teaches to his followers. This card represents spiritual values and beliefs, often represents religion also. It shows of learning fundamental principles in a structured way from a trusted source. So at times in a reading it shows a formal studies or education from any institution. It governs tried and tested models, so follow key principle and rules which is already made. It advises follow your ritual and tradition in a regular practice. In a health reading, it shows standard traditional way of medication. In a relationship reading, it shows marriage and divorce, court cases, litigation. In a professional and career relationship, it shows teaching and helping others, such kind of work. You may learn or you may teach someone. The Lovers, sixth number card of the major arcana. This card shows love, harmony, union, relationship, choices, sometimes imbalance, self-love also, self-centered. So here in the picture we can see naked couple standing beneath the angel Raphael. Raphael generally we call for the physical and emotional healing. The angel blesses the couple for their union. Here we can see the land, it's a fertile land. In the picture we can see the apple tree also, and there is a snake which is winding its way up to the trunk of the tree, which represents temptation of sensual pleasure, which takes one's focus away from the divine. You can see the female, she is looking at the divine, but the male energy here, who is not paying attention to the divine, instead he is attracted to the female. Flames you can see right side of the picture. There are 12 numbers of flames which represents the 12 zodiac, which generally we use as a time, symbol of time. When this card comes in a reading which shows a relationship, a positive and beautiful relationship, it shows as if you found your soulmate also. It also shows close relation, family relationship which is filled with compassion and love. It shows you need to be open on your communication front. You need to be honest and focused to create harmonious result while making the choices for yourself. This card talks on unity and balance, so you need to learn the duality, because you are going to get the positive as well as negatives both. Negative side of this card shows as if you are stuck in some relationship or you are unable to communicate properly. Sometimes it shows you have become self-centered, you are unable to balance the situation, you are not ready for the responsibility even sometimes it shows, and it shows you are confused while making choices or you are avoiding the consequences of your decision. If this card comes as a guidance, it shows you need self-love, you need to be very clear while communicating, and honesty.